Have you ever had a client come to you and they need a very specific report, like they're pulling their hair out?
Oh, yeah.
And Acumatica doesn't just offer it like right out of the box.
Yeah.
It's like every consultant's worst nightmare, right?
It really is. It's like that make it work moment.
Yeah,
And sometimes it's stressful,
for sure.
to figure out how to make that work in the most elegant way.
Exactly. And this deep dive is all about a solution that is really simple and really brilliant.
I like it.
We are learning from a consultant named Mamta and her company Tiana Solutions.
Oh,
She's got over 13 years of ERP experience,
wow.
and they've tackled over 150 unique Acumatica scenarios.
That's a lot.
Yeah, they've seen a lot. So this client she was working with specializes in trauma repair and maintenance services,
Okay.
and they needed to see their profit and loss statement broken down by department
Okay.
to pinpoint which departments were the most profitable,
Mm-hmm.
which we know is not a standard Acumatica report.
Right. And I bet a lot of our listeners are like nodding their heads right now.
Because a lot of service-based businesses that have, different operations,
Exactly.
they all want that same information.
So how did she do it?
Yeah.
So what she noticed was that they were already using sub-accounts to track the different departments when they were booking income and expenses.
Oh, that's interesting.
Yeah. So she was
Yeah.
like, wait a minute.
Yeah.
I can use this.
The data is there.
Exactly.
It's just not organized in a way that's useful.
Exactly.
Yeah.
So instead of creating a whole new system, she leveraged the existing functionality to build a custom P&L report.
Nice. So working smarter, not harder.
Exactly.
Love it.
So she took the standard P&L report as like the base,
Okay.
and then she added a new column set,
Okay.
which is basically like a customized view
Mm-hmm.
of the data. And then each column in this set was dedicated to a specific sub-account,
Okay.
which represented a different department.
So she's basically making it so that they can slice and dice by department
Exactly.
without having to reinvent the wheel. Yes. And then so that each column was pulling the right information, she set up filters in the report's data source.
Okay.
So the data source is like the blueprint that tells the report,
At where to find the information.
where to find the information exactly.
Yeah.
So she set filters for like the start and end sub-account for each column.
Gotcha.
So she was basically telling the report like, hey,
Grab the data just for this department.
exactly.
Read it.
And just like that, she delivered exactly what the client needed.
Wow.
A custom P&L that showed exactly how profitable each department was.
That's awesome. This is so smart because it really highlights how you can use sub-accounts in so many different situations.
Right.
It's not
And, Mamta's company, Tiana Solutions, they're experts at this kind of stuff.
Yeah, they're the largest services partner with Acumatica.
And they've seen it all, and they're ready to help.
Yeah. So if you are like, oh my gosh, I'm having a reporting crisis,
Yes.
reach out to Tiana Solutions.
Give them a call. Their number is 678-910-2774.
I love it.
So as we wrap up, I want to leave you with a thought.
Mm.
We've talked about departments, projects, sales regions. What other creative uses for sub-accounts can you think of?
And Acumatica is such a flexible platform that you can really do a lot with it.
Exactly. And if you're ever feeling stuck, reach out to Tiana Solutions. They're not just consultants.
Yeah,
They're partners in your success.
absolutely.
So to all of our listeners out there, if you're ready to really unlock the power of Acumatica and wow your clients with these awesome reports,
Yeah,
give Tiana Solutions a call.
that's right. 678-910-2774.
You won't regret it. All right, that's it for this deep dive. We'll see you next time.